Good morning. At least it's morning for me. I'm going to talk to you about putting your photos up here. I see many of you have taken online courses and are taking several online courses, but I find it hard to, quote, talk to you via email, not knowing what you look like. And I think if you knew how each other look, and I see a lot of nice photos coming up on the Introduce Yourself forum, anybody will be more willing to talk to one another. Again, I want to show you that we have three forums: the Introduce Yourself forum, a question and answer forum for you guys to put out questions and get answers from each other. And I'm going to subscribe to that one now, so I know when somebody has left a question or an answer, so I can chime in there. But you know, if I'm sleeping and you're not sleeping and you check it up, you can help each other, and I hope you will help each other. Okay, so the way we learn what each other looks like is to go over here to Preferences. And I'll click on it. And under Personal Information, and I've done this already, and so this is what you're going to do. And I'm going to show you where I've written it up to. Personal information. Some of it's filled in. That's me. That's Maureen Lampel Greenbaum. I'm the professor. That's my title. And this box, let me tour these to you because these are used also on your forums. This one makes everything look bigger. Expands the, and if you hover, touch it, but don't click, see it says maximize the editor size. I don't know what this does. I never use it. This is a paste, just like every other paste, and you have a great drop down, and I have a kind of rule that says when you have a drop down, drop it down and see what there is. So here's your undo and redo, cut, copy, paste. And notice when you're taking stuff out of Word, Angel makes a mess out of it. So the best thing to paste it is to paste it from the drop down. You're used to bold, italics, underline. And underline has an interesting drop down also. You have strike through, and that's kind of cool. That says, I meant to say this, well, maybe I didn't mean to say it, but keep the words here and strike it through. And this is when you want to do a superscript. Superscripts go on top, and subscripts go on the bottom. That's like H2O. You don't really need to use this. This will point to another page on Angel. I don't think you're going to use this, but this one you want to use, and that is when you have a link. And the most important thing when you have a link, if you're going to you put the URL here and never type it, copy and paste it. And the most important thing to do is go over to Target and put it in a new window. Click on it. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. So it goes away. This is how you put pictures in. Click that up. You put the URL of the picture, and you can make it smaller or bigger. And this is kind of fun. You put it to the left of the stuff or to the right of the stuff. Okay, cancel. I can do anything. This is how you put a YouTube video in. I don't know what this does. This is more of YouTube. Oh, you upload. My goodness. And there's all kinds of stuff here. I just usually use this YouTube video. Don't use this. This is cool. This is a table. And that's a neat way to put something on the left of the screen and the right of the screen, is to make two columns. And I usually get rid of the width before I choose it. And this is number of rows, number of columns, right? Okay. And everything else I leave alone. Here's a spell checker. Don't forget it. Here's your numbering, your dot points. This is kind of cool if you want to have multi-levels, which you will learn how to do in PowerPoint also. Okay, this is left justify stuff, right justify. I mean, mid-center stuff. Color the text, color the background. These styles are the same kind of stuff that we'll talk about both in PowerPoint and at the end of the term in Word. Format is more of the same style. Font, you want to use funny font. this is good for a little bit, but I don't like it for everything. And here you choose sizes and your spell checker. And this is if you really want to get sexy and learn HTML. Okay. Gosh, I'm 5 minutes. I'm going to stop this now and I'll continue it later.